Slide guy, nigga. The biggest.
Turn that shit up, man.
Nigga know I'm the type. For sure.
I'm the type of nigga hit the trap and run them bands up. I'm the type to see my nigga down and pick my mans up. You the type of nigga cover bitch after your man's fuck. I'm the type to fucking kick her out after we damn nut.
I'm the type of nigga wiping nose for the bands, huh? I'm the type to slime you out. You thought I was your man's, huh? I'm the type of nigga 30 nigga 1,000 grams, huh? I'm the type of nigga rob a nigga without a damn gun.
Bitch, I'm DirtFace Krazy, I'm like Clifford, I'm a big dog. Shitting on these niggas, swear to God I got him pissed off. Nigga in his feelings cause he snitching, but that's his fault. Rest up to my brothers on my daddy gang, I miss y'all.
Slime got a wipe a nigga knows it was his fault. Coming off the top, hitting nigga like the spin on. Posted at the trap, nigga trying to get these bricks on. Free the bros out the chain gang, I can't forget y'all.
I'm a real nigga and I always stood on straight business. Youngest in the field, I call to play them just be straight bliss. When I call to play, I get you hit because they ain't missing. You can count the losses, swear they losing, boy they ain't winning.
Solid nigga took so many losses, but I ain't trippin'. I know all my niggas loyal to me and they ain't snitchin'. I'm the type to supply all the birds like it's Thanksgiving. Draw so many niggas in the field, still on straight business.
Plus hit me the load, I knock that shit right out the ballpark. Saving money, living better, I'm feeling like Walmart. Pulling up in foreign, fuck the keys, that bitch a push start. Pull up with your bitch, she give me break, I call her book smart.
I'm the type to slide the plug out, he try to text me. I'm the type to ride with the drink on the backseat. I'm the type that gotta pop a perk, get relaxed me. I'm the type to fuck a nigga big cause he was tax free.
Watching what I say because I'm knowing that the feds listen. Buddy, you a rat and I'm a snake, I guess we bred different. 20 on this top, I bet them youngins leave his head missing. 10 on the purse for me to put this fucking lead in.
Niggas keep playing, I'ma show 'em that my bread did. Slime around, slime, see these niggas know we bread with a whole lot of chopper, nigga, a whole lot of dead nigga. I won't hesitate to put 100 on your head, nigga. Put that money on your head, nigga. Last nigga, he a dead nigga. Wipe his nose for the nigga.